Hi, I'm Massimo Banzi. Welcome to the Arduino Distrelec Automation and Robotics competition. How will you help advance the Industry 4.0 using Arduino ecosystem? From robots to predictive maintenance, from remote control to data acquisition, we're challenging you to create innovative solutions to make industry faster, cheaper, more flexible and effective. Explore all of the potential of the Arduino ecosystem, boards, libraries, and the online platform to rapid prototype your Industry 4.0 application. Choose between our wide range of IoT boards with the Maker 1000 Wi-Fi or Yun or other low-band connectivity product like Sigfox, LoRa, GSM, and other Maker boards. Use Arduino Create to set up, control, connect different Arduinos and Intel or ARM-based platform altogether. Example of automation-related ideas and projects we're looking for is industrial automation, remote control, energy management, remote monitoring, for example, predictive maintenance, machine safety, home security. Prototype advanced robotic system by controlling motors, actuators, and sensors by using our new powerful boards such as the Arduino Mega or Arduino Due. Example of robotic related ideas and projects we're looking for could be surveillance, drones, robotic arms, rover, collaborative robots, Cartesian robots, self-drive transportation, and more. The contest starts on April 23rd, while the call for idea runs from April 23rd to June 29, where you have to send our idea and you will get weekly micro contests dedicated to the best industrial robot, best industrial automation, best social responsible project, and most innovative industrial application. The prizes of the weekly micro contest will be 150 vouchers for €75 each to spend on the Distrelec online store and 150 Arduino boards plus other special prizes from Veller, R&D, Seed Studio, and Keatley. From June 29 until September 16, it's a call for project where you send your completed project. The final prizes of the contest will be 1 Keatley tabletop multimeter plus a trip to Maker Faire Rome, 2 Veller's soldering station with all the accessories, and from 3rd to 10th prize a Seed Studio Grove kit. So join the competition. So go to the Arduino website, look for Project Hub, or go to the Distrelec website, or just Google, and you will find all the instructions on how to join the contest. We will also put a URL on the screen that you can look at. So thank you for your attention. I hope you build great projects that really enhance the Arduino community. Let's keep in touch. Ciao everyone.